Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another fresh episode of Top 5 HyperOS themes you must have on your Redmi and Poco device. So if you want to customize your Redmi and Poco to the next level, then believe me, you will definitely like these themes. And if you liked them, then don't hesitate to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you can get more such amazing themes in the future. Friends, let's talk about these 5 themes. Then as usual, let's start with the lock screen. And the theme we are going to use is Color 26 Pro, which we will apply as a lock style. Then we will tap on this customize icon and we have to apply the theme password to customize this lock screen. Now let's talk about the lock screen features, which you can customize according to your style, such as wallpaper, clock, date formats, widgets, and some additional options such as shortcuts, color, fingerprint and face recognition, and last, dynamic island. Next, move on to the home screen, where we will first talk about the home screen widget. And for this we have two themes. First is the big rectangular clock widget, which shows some useful information. And to apply this widget, we have to go to the theme store, then favorite tray, and apply this theme UI 8.1. The second clock widget is a big centered clock widget which shows the time and date info. And to apply this widget, we have to apply this theme HyperOS 3. Now let's talk about the icons, and for this we have two themes. First is for those users who are searching for the stable HyperOS 3 stock icons for your HyperOS 1 and 2 device. And to apply these icons, we have to apply this theme HyperOS 3. The second icon pack is also for the HyperOS 3 stock icons, but with some extra effect. And the effect is blanket effect, or you may say cloth effect. And believe me, this icon pack is amazing if you apply on a light gradient wallpaper. Well, the sad thing is that we didn't get any animation on both the packs. Now it's time to look at the control center, and for this we have two themes plus one bonus theme. The first control center is for those users who wants a HyperOS 3 stock control on your HyperOS 1 and 2 device with almost stock animation. And to apply this, we have to apply this theme HyperOS 3 as a system. But if you want to make this control center a bit interesting, then just apply this theme Benetrix as an icon and system. Then you will get the same control center with glass effect on the toggles. But if you want something hotke with the same layout, then you can apply this theme Ghost as a system. Then you will get the dark effect control center with stock animation, which looks amazing. So with this control center, we have covered the top 5 best HyperOS theme that you must have on your Redmi and Poco device episode 2. I hope you liked today's themes. If yes, then like this video and also share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Mobile Funda for more such amazing themes in the future. See you in the next video with another interesting theme. Till then, keep customizing.